Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you the recipe for making the henna paste with the apple juice, and we are using apple juice instead of water and lemon juice because of the humidity. So if you live in a place where you have a lot of humidity and your paste always when you add sugar it's always running, or if you add like less sugar the it your henna cracks easily. So that's the solution we have, is to use the apple juice, because apple juice already have some henna, which is some sugar which is already liquidized in that. So that way we will get a perfect balance of our stickiness in the henna as well as it don't run. So let's start. So we need 100 grams of henna powder, that is like fresh henna powder, properly sifted. See, it's how fine and fresh. Then I have the apple juice, which is organic apple juice without any concentrate or sugar. This is like pure apple juice. Then I have the cane sugar. I will be using like around 1 tablespoon of cane sugar. And then I have the Bulgarian lavender essential oil, which is very good for sensitive skin. So we are not using lemon also because some people have allergies to lemon, right? So that's why I'm using a lavender with apple juice, so it will also work great for someone who has allergy with lemon, or anything like pregnant women or cancer patients. So this recipe is perfect for everybody. Now first I will add like just a tablespoon of sugar, not 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon sugar is around 15 ml. So we just cut the sugar half because we are using apple juice, and apple juice already have sugar in it, the natural apple sugar. And I will now mix it with the apple juice. So we will just add little by little. In the middle we will also add the 30 ml of lavender. So this bottle is 30 ml, so I am just adding all of it. Mix it well. So we have mixed it properly, and now we will leave it for a few hours for the dye release, like around 6 to 8 hours. After that we will just check if it is dye released, and then we will cone it up. So as you can see, it is little thick, but we will add the water later. Now we will wait for a few hours. So now we can check if the dye is released. You can see the difference in color. And we can also do a 5-minute patch test on the hand to just check whether dye is released. Now we will mix it well. And add more liquid to adjust